Okay, so just received this box from Shapeways and decided to make a video of unboxing what's in it. I don't think I've seen an unboxing of something this big, so pretty excited. It's quite a delicate model which was ordered, so we'll see what's in it, and hopefully it's exactly what we're looking for. So here goes. As always, there's always a lot of packaging material. It's like being in a ball pit. So this is 1 millimeter diameter mesh of a stag head, printed in white strong flexible, dyed in red. This came out quite well. Same model in purple. Okay, and that's the same model in the white, strong and flexible. Very happy with them. So now this model still in 1 millimeter diameter. Is it 1 millimeter diameter? 1 millimeter diameter mesh, but at a much larger scale. So pushing the boundaries of what can be printed. And what can be shipped, packaged and shipped safely. Very delicate operation. I was worried in case some of the points were broken. It doesn't seem that they are. And these will be up on the shop to purchase, and I'll put a link to them at the on the comments. Thank you.